Hey, welcome back, guys. Just going to give you a quick update, kind of end of the weekend. As you can see, got the motor half uncrated. Got the engine hoist just about ready to go. I'm going to pull this out hopefully night this week, if not early Saturday morning next week. We'll go ahead and get this guy going, start getting the transmission mated up. We're really close to getting the engine in this thing. So you can see I've got the wheels on the car. Been a long time since that's been the case. This weekend I put in the Pro-Am harness. Got the computer mounted. I'll show you that in a second. I'm doing a whole how-to on that. And I bled the brakes. Got that done. I have some how-tos coming up on brake bleeding and the master cylinder and the booster coming up. I did have to change my bleeders. Both of them were, well, the one on the passenger side was a little ornery coming out, so I covered that as well. In the tunnel, started working on getting my O2 sensors, the wide bands for the Pro-Am. I just got some wires hanging, a little red wire. My transmission's going to have an overdrive lockout. So when I get on it, I got to lock it out so I don't burn up my overdrive. So that's what the red wire's for, just going to finish that up. Getting the automatic harness swapped out from under the seat. Probably taking about 20 minutes. I'll get that done over the next week. So pretty much that's that part. And for any of you guys thinking, like, yeah, I'll go ahead and just knock all this out, welcome to my war zone. Obviously, I got the computer mounted in there. We'll get this finished up. Once I have the engine in and I mount the harness or where everything is going, then I'll go ahead and come back in here, clean out the blower motor. It looks a little bit worse than it is. These are those kind of days where it's a little frustrating looking at this going, wow, I got a long ways to go, but it is what it is. So did have some things show up in the mail, some relays, some wiring, a couple little tools that I needed. Other than that, I'm pretty much ready to go. We're pretty much going to press on getting this motor and trans in. I cannot wait for this to finally happen. And with that, I'm going to go ahead and wrap it up. Just wanted to give you a quick update. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.